Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to uninstall a software from a personal computer. There are two options. One is from control panel and another one is by using run command. Okay, the first option we are going to see, just go to search and type control panel. So here you can see there is an option programs and uninstall a program. So here we can see there are a lot of softwares it is available. It's like, so whatever the softwares it is installed into your machine, here we can see. Okay, this is one of the option, and here I want to uninstall MySQL server. Okay, suppose what you need to do, just click on this one and there is an uninstall button here. Otherwise, just give right click here and click on uninstall. This is one option, and we are going to discuss second option by using run command and Appwiz.cpl. Okay, just go to search and type run here. Otherwise, what you can do, just press on window R. If you press window R, the run command will open. So here we need to type Appwiz.cpl. This is the command to open a control panel automatically. So here we can see whatever the softwares it is already installed. Okay, so here we are going to select, so which one we need to uninstall. Okay, here I am going to select MySQL server. So I want to uninstall this one. Just give right click here and uninstall it. Just click on yes. The same way we can uninstall all the programs. So whatever the programs or softwares, if you don't want into your machine, we can uninstall it. That's it for this video. Thank you.